Genomatica is at the forefront of transforming a trillion-dollar chemical industry by bringing new technology, specifically biotechnology, to create a more sustainable future for the industry, both economically and environmentally. We're using biotechnology as a way to create the same exact chemicals that today are made typically from petroleum resources, but making them from alternative feedstocks with biotechnology as the transforming element.
And what kind of chemicals do you work with?
We target some of the largest chemicals in the world that form the basis of making many of the materials that we use every day, plastics, fibers, things that go into everyday products. So these are called basic and intermediate chemicals and sit at the core of the industry. There's probably about 30 to 40 of these types of chemicals. These are the types of things that we target by using biotechnology to convert different types of feedstocks into those chemicals with better economics and a smaller environmental footprint.
That's really cool. So what specific product have you had most success with to date?
Well, let me tell you about one of the most exciting ones. Our first product that we developed is a new way to make a chemical called butanediol, BDO. This is about a $4 billion a year global market, and we've brought an exciting new innovation to that market, which is the ability to produce that chemical directly from sugars as a feedstock. So this is the first time to make this large global commodity from a renewable feedstock with competitive economics and a smaller environmental footprint.
So what's unique about Genomatica's process in this regard?
Well, what's unique about this innovation that we've created is the ability to directly convert sugar into this chemical butanediol. So we've actually applied state-of-the-art capabilities in biotechnology and unique traits to be able to convert sugar directly into this chemical in a microorganism, and then develop the entire manufacturing process that ultimately leads to chemical grade BDO that can be used in all the downstream applications.
I see, so you license the technology to other people to implement?
That's correct. Genomatica is actually a technology developer. We're not a producer of the chemicals. We're really the enabler of change in the industry. So we're delivering the technology to major chemical producers. In the case of our first process for BDO, we've been able to license that to Novamont, a company in Italy, a leader in bioplastics, who's building the world's first bio-based BDO plant. And we've also licensed to BASF, the world's largest chemical company, who is a leader in the BDO market worldwide.
That's fantastic. You've had some really great successes already. So what about next?
Well, what's coming next is other innovative technologies for other chemicals. I'll give you one example. We're focusing our attention on our second target, which is butadiene. This is a chemical that's widely used in synthetic elastomers, and think of tires. So when you think of a tire, just think of butadiene. Now that is a technology that we're developing together with a number of partners, including Braskem, which is the largest South American chemical company, and Versalis, the largest chemical company in Italy, both of whom are significantly involved in the butadiene value chain and have committed together over $100 million to develop Genomatica technologies for making butadiene. So we're off to a fast start on butadiene and look forward to bring other innovations for other chemicals that use a range of different feedstocks forward in the future.
That's great, pioneering indeed. Christoph Schilling from Genomatica, thank you very much, and congratulations on being one of our 2014 New Energy Pioneers.
Thank you.